There's just so many things to do. I am freaking out. We haven't run the music. I don't know who all of my backup dancers are. Can't do tomorrow's. What the actual. Before I go on explaining this video, which I'm sure you guys have an idea about because of the titling that I will most likely use, let us go back a little bit. I'm under Buy TV right now. I haven't launched my show yet, so I seriously, honestly thought that I was just going to like chill in the background, not be a part of anything up until the show is up. Honestly, singing, dancing in public is not something that I thought that I would be doing in my late 20s. I used to perform a lot. Like when I was in grade school, high school, I stopped in college because I didn't want to be a part of anything when I was in college. But the dancing that I do now is just me trying my best to dance like really bad for comedic purposes. But I was trying to dance the other day and it wasn't that good, guys. Like it could have been a whole lot better. Bisaya Fan Fest is like some activity that we do at the Plaza Independencia every sinulog, and it's such a big deal, and that's why I am freaking the out. My printer Junjun, he performs, so he hooked me up with this guy named Michael Villarta, and he is from V9 Dance Hub. Honestly, I haven't met this guy yet, but I know that I love him already. He was kind enough to agree to choreograph, edit the songs, and give me backup dances. If it weren't for them, I honestly don't know what I would do. Okay, so right now I am at the Premier Business Loft, which is where V9 Dance Studio is. Michael? Hi! Yes! Hello! Isa, nice to meet you. Okay, or dili mag-aircon? Para dili sayang og kuryente. Wow, this the kuan nga lugar, oy. That's really nice. So we are currently at V9 Dance Center or Dance Hub, and check it out, guys. They have like cubbies where you can put your stuff in, and then you can sit there, and then it's Michael. He's my favorite person. And you have like a really nice view pa, no? Like if you're dancing. Nice. Oy, kanindot diri, oy.
Later.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade.
That was surprisingly good. Like I thought I would do so bad. Like I thought that I was gonna screw up. I thought I was gonna really embarrass myself in front of Michael and in front of Jill. Like I honestly didn't want to be the one that brought us down because there's literally no time for this. It's a Saturday today, we have Sunday and then Monday and then Tuesday to practice. Those are 4 days. Because they're like really good dancers. I was so scared that like I couldn't keep up with them. But surprisingly, I could. So I'm just gonna keep practicing tomorrow up until Tuesday and then I will be ready. I was really happy because Michael, like, he really took the reins and like he's just like, okay, let's do this. But at the same time, he was also like, are you okay with this? He wanted to see if I was okay with it, in which I was. I don't really, like, I'm okay. The only thing that I really wanted was to dance Lamit Siyang Bayhana, and he let me because I love Nico.
Day 2.
Oh my god, this is gonna run into my car. Look at that, look at that. Look what they're doing. Look at what they're doing. They're trying to drive. They're trying to drive and they're trying to ram into my car. So basically what we're supposed to do today is finish the first dance, which was around Who Runs the World by Beyonce, and then the second is Lamit Siyang Bayhana. I think we're learning like two or three more songs. So the practice is gonna be the entire day. We're just gonna have to wrap everything up. I'm meeting the rest of the backup dancers. There's just so many things to do. I have like events in between, before and after. So I honestly don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I am looking forward to it nevertheless. Hi. Introduce yourself to the vlog.
Oh my gosh. I'm part of the vlog. Hi, I'm Jules.
You are my new friend. Unsa nakakadugay nag-dance?
I've been dancing since bata pa man jud to. Like bata pa jud ang sayawan sa unang SRH.
Ja. Bata pa ka ato, tiguwag na ko ato. Say, daddy mo.
For now, I'm 20 but looking 15.
Uy, 20 ka. Nag-uol gud akong tuhod di mo. Thank you for dancing with me.
Of course, it's my great pleasure.
Chay, unsa man di mo maingon.
Let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on every single beat. Hits my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you 'cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me.
Hey everyone! It is a Monday. It's a day before the performance, and I'm on my way to practice. I'm a little bit late, but I also have a surprise for everyone. Guess who's up?
Who said that?
It's my vlog.
No, ayaw sa inana. Batik ikaw na.
Are you excited to see me dance?
Oh, yes, of course. Tonight. Or tomorrow night.
Okay. Ano di ka magpakita sa mo nang?
Ligo.
Wa ko kibaw asa ko naliwat cause I don't care if ako ligo. My mom cares. I think I'm not her daughter. I want to show you our tank. For those who didn't know that we have a fish tank, we have a tank. And we got new fish. We got the Grammys. How do you feel about my performance? It's just the back of your head. Are you excited to see me dance? Paulo's excited. We are all excited. Anyways, I'm gonna go practice now. I'll see you guys later.
Say Brian.
Hi. To i-try memorize. What's that to? Brian, Alana, and then Kirsten. Okay, so Brian, Alana, and Kirsten. And then as always, so we are temporarily switching locations because there are some really cool guys here at the studio who need to practice for World of Dance. Say hi to the vlog. Hello. Hi. Mga single mo? Kita may single diri dapita. Kinsa man? Kita may gana makauyab karong tuiga. So make sure I hit them up, guys. I'm gonna put their name over here and where you can follow them and go catch them. I was asking them how old they are, and they said that they're like 16 to 17 years old. They don't know how old I am, and we're not telling them. But they are in grade 10. Hello, pretties. Di ko mangutanan ninyo ha, kids, na uyab kay dili pa pwede. Dili mo sagot si Mami Isa. Nana may mga uyab. Okay naman mag-uyab-uyab. Basta lang smart when it comes to love. Diba? Storya na sa uyab-uyab. Storya na sa sakit. Ayaw anak, guys. Pangita mong true love. Char.
Later.
Okay, guys. So it is 7:15. We regrouped because he said that people would be using the studio at 3 o'clock to 8 o'clock. So I was like, okay, we can come practice at my place. So I got the room ready and everything. Like the kitties wanted to go to church and stuff like that. So I was like, sure, who am I to stop you from going to church and stuff like that? So I'm like, yeah, I am freaking out. Like, it's so close. We haven't run the music yet. I usually don't want to talk about stuff like this because I get scared. It's making me anxious. We haven't run through the song yet. Haven't discussed our outfits. I don't know who all of my backup dancers are. The girls have class tomorrow and I'll only be seeing them in the afternoon, which means we don't get time to practice the entire dance. and honestly it's just really scaring me. The practice space is only available until 11 o'clock. It's already 7:30. I'm freaking out. Like, honestly, I'm freaking out. I am going to message Michael and ask him what's going on, if I'm still seeing him. In the meantime, I'm just gonna wash dishes and I'm gonna ask him. Okay, so they're here already. It's 8 o'clock. One of the girls, Alana, had to back out because of the time of the schedules, but that's okay. We're gonna figure it out. These girls are still students, so I don't want them to stay out very long. We are gonna try to clean everything up right now, and then we can all go home and then practice tomorrow morning. That I am hoping. I will probably vlog, probably not. I just really need to get this over with. I want them to go home early. I really need these girls to go home early, because if they don't go home early, their parents are gonna get mad and they can't do it tomorrow, so this practice would have been a waste. So we are gonna try to do this ASAP. Okay guys, just an update. It is 11:27. Michael showed up. He is the best. I don't even know why I ever doubted him. I didn't doubt him. I was just kind of freaked out. I was scared. I was getting nervous. I was so nervous, guys. I was about to puke my freaking guts out. But they all showed up. We all got to practice and everything's good there. So I am currently editing the music for this, and then I'm gonna send it to whoever I need to send it to, and then I'm gonna be done. So thank God. And I really need to sleep. I need to shower and I need to sleep, but everything is basically good and I'm so excited. Ugh. Thank God. So I will go now. See you guys. Mwah. I have nothing to it for tonight. What am I gonna do? Hi!
Are you vlogging?
Buslot siya.